Hey everybody, Kenny Conklin here from HobbyLinkInternational.com, and welcome to the finale of the Space Pirate Battleship Arcadia. Thank you very much for following along. So we're not going to ramble on too much at the beginning. I'll talk about the kit at the end. I want to get you right over to the pictures, but make sure you watch the whole video through. Might be in the middle, might be at the end. Got a little question for you guys, and the first person to answer this question in the first 24 hours of the video will get a Hobby Link International t-shirt. So enough about that. Let's get over to the pictures and check out the build. Did you see what's different about this ship? Why I'm calling it my personal refit Arcadia? If so, be the first person to put it in the comments below, and you'll have a chance to win that Hobby Link International t-shirt. Thank you everybody for stopping by and checking out this video. I hope you enjoyed the build progress and the finale of the build. These are nice little kits. If you're in a rut, you can get on one of these, build it, and you'll have a good time. It goes together very well. It's well engineered. Pretty much all snap fit. For a few parts you have to glue. It's not that bad. A couple injector pin marks, mainly on the tips of the wings, the little fuselage things, or not fuselage, little end caps of those wings. Sand those right off, and a couple gaps. Otherwise that's it. And it's a very simple color scheme on here, so it shouldn't take you long, and it could get you out of that rut and have a good time with these. You're going to see more of these type of ships. I'm going to do them because I had a really good time with this, but I'm going to bump up to the 1/1500 scale because I do want to light these kits. So again, thanks to everybody. I really appreciate your support here. And if you haven't yet, please hit that like button and subscribe button. Really helps the channel out a lot, spreading it around to other YouTubers. And congratulations to whoever got the question right that I asked at some point during this video. So I hope you're all doing well out there. I hope you have a great night. Make sure you're being good. Take care, and bye-bye everybody.